Hi, this is Whitney with PolicyPak software. Have you ever looked at your list of GPOs and been driven to despair by the sheer number of them? Don't you wish you could somehow consolidate them but still have all the policies do what they were doing before? Well, don't despair. We have the solution with PolicyPak's Admin Templates Manager. I'm going to show you how to use item level targeting to give our GPOs some brains and target your admin templates based on the criteria of your choice. So, let's get to it. Over here on my currently unmanaged machine, we're going to take a look at the Windows settings page. Right now, I can see and access everything here, from system all the way down to gaming, a ridiculous setting to have it all. What I'm going to do with the Admin Templates Manager is trim these settings, but hey, maybe different people need different settings available. In this video, I'm going to be working with my East Sales users, my West Sales users, and my North Sales users. Yikes! That's 3 GPOs I have to create, right? Wrong. Let's take a look. Over here on my management station, I have my Sales OU here, and under that, my East Sales, North Sales, West Sales users, and these OUs underneath that. Normally, I'd have to make one GPO for North Sales, one for East, one for West, and so on. But in this case, I'm going to flex my superpower and create one GPO right here against the whole Sales OU, and I'm going to call it Trimming Windows Settings. Now, let's get in there and start making some magic. Since I'm going to be targeting OUs with users in them, we're going to work over here on the user side. So let's go to PolicyPak, Admin Templates Manager, and we're going to start by creating a collection. That's effectively a folder that will hold the policy that we're going to create in just a few minutes, and it's where we're going to put our item level targeting. First of all, I'm going to create a collection for my East Sales users. Now, notice when I click OK, the icon is black. This means that we haven't put the special sauce on it to target the collection specifically to East Sales users, and anything in that collection currently will hit anything that the GPO hits. However, if we right-click and choose Change Item Level Targeting, then we get the targeting editor, and we can choose to target that collection based on, well, any of a number of different criteria. You could go by computer name or IP address range. You could go by site or terminal session. In this particular case, I'm going to be limiting it by organizational unit, by OU, and this is my East Sales collection, so I'm going to click those 3 dots, come down and find my East Sales users. There we are. And make sure they're direct member and OK. Now, notice that the icon changed from black to orange, and that's just a really quick and easy visual reference for you to know that item level targeting is on this collection. So let's go ahead and create 2 more collections, one for my North Sales, and we'll go ahead and throw that item level targeting on there right now. I don't have to go back and do it after the fact. So let's go find my North Sales users. There we are. And OK. Notice it went ahead and just created it on an orange folder there. So let's add one more collection for our West Sales, add our item level targeting one more time. Let's go down and find OU, grab those 3 dots, and find our West Sales users. All right, there we go. All right, now let's get in there and start creating policy. So I'm going to choose Add a New Policy, and you may notice as I move around in here that this is looking really familiar. That's because we are pulling from the same ADMX files that Group Policy is pulling from as well. We're not reinventing the wheel. So let's go to Settings Page Visibility, and let's enable it. And you have the option in your syntax to do a hide or a show only. Now, since I want to limit this pretty extremely, I'm going to do show only, and I've already got the syntax in here already, but I'm going to have my East Sales users only able to access the display settings and Bluetooth settings. So there we go. And OK. Let's close this editor, move into North Sales, and we're going to do the same thing. In any other situation, this would absolutely be conflicting, but again, we've put item level targeting on those collections, which means each one of these policies is only going to the place we targeted it. North Sales, we're only going to get to see the network status and apps and features, so we'll go ahead and say OK there. Close out. go to West Sales and we'll go ahead and put them in there as well. Settings page visibility. Let's enable, and I'll copy and paste from here as well. All right, there we go. So what I'm going to do now, we've done the work, let's come over here and see the results. I'm going to run a GP update just to move the hands of time forward a little bit, and just for good measure, I'm also going to restart the machine, but don't worry, I'll use moving magic to shorten that sequence. All right, let's do a restart just for good measure. And we are back. Let's check out that settings page now. There we go. We can only see the display and the Bluetooth settings. Perfect, just what we wanted to see. Now let's log off and log back on as a North Sales user and see those changes happening there. All right, let's check out these settings. And my North Sales users has access to the network status only and apps and features, just like we told it to. Finally, let's log back off and we'll log back on as a West Sales user and see their settings. All right, let's go check out our West Sales settings. There we go. West Sales only has access to the phone and time and date, just like we said. So there you go. We were able to deliver 3 different versions of the same setting to 3 different OUs in the same GPO. Again, with item level targeting, you can choose any of a number of different criteria. We used OU in this video, and we saw it all working. And the best part is, you can do all of this with every ADMX file you have. If this superpower blows you away too, then sign up for our webinar, and then we'll get you started on your free 30-day trial as soon as possible. Thanks so much.